Welcome to another Zipline Gear shopping guide video. This is going to be another guide on building a custom kit. In the last video, I went through building the kit fast and easy, but this time I will show you how to build everything from scratch. If you really want to do things your way and have no need of the extra hardware that comes with the do-it-yourself cable kits, or perhaps you have planned a specific way to connect your cable, here is what you would do. On our website, go to Hardware, then click on Zipline Gear Cable. In a previous video, I described the general rule for choosing the appropriate size of the cable. You do have to know the length of the run you intend to have, so the right size and the cable length can be selected. This cable will be raw, meaning there is nothing on either end, just a raw length of cable cut to the size you will need. Let's say you want to do it as simple as possible. You will need to get the cable long enough to wrap each tree plus the total distance. Let's say you have 100 feet from tree to tree. You would add 10 feet per side to wrap each tree and about 10% of the length for the sag. So for 100-foot zip line, you would choose the 1/4-inch cable, select the by foot option, and get 130 feet of cable. Now you can get the cable clamps. Go to terminating hardware. You will need 3 clamps per side. Make sure they match the size of the cable. This is the most simple connection you can have when using trees or poles as anchors for your zip line. You see here below the cable splice. This is a permanent loop at the end of the cable, in a case if you need to connect the cable to a quick link, eye bolt, or turnbuckle. This loop can also be made manually by using cable, clamps, and a thimble. If you choose to add a turnbuckle to your system, you would want to add a cable sling for the side where the turnbuckle would go, because you would not be wrapping that tree with your main cable. If your anchors are not trees but wood or metal poles, you may want to use an eye bolt instead of the cable sling. However, wrapping around the pole will leave you much more flexibility to change the riding slope. Whatever your plans are, you can see that there is more than one way of doing this right. All the necessary hardware such as slings, clamps, thimbles, eye bolts, etc. can be found under terminating hardware and connecting hardware category. The strength rating should be listed below each item in the description below. Our recommended maximum weight limit per rider is 350 pounds. Once the cable and the hardware is selected, don't forget to add the tensioning kit for the installation and call us for any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.